Hi, I'm Casey Milker. Thanks a lot for joining us today here in the Nilfisk booth. We have two sides. One is the pressure washer side with all the Pressure Pro equipment. Over there we have all of our floor care equipment and vacuums. Today we're going to be talking about our pressure washers and our new Eagle 2 series. Check this thing out. It's the all aluminum frame, no welds to break, and what that means, it's aircraft aluminum that is not going to rust or corrode. We have this unique handle design, ergonomic, so that way when you pull it, it's not catching on the back of your heel. So it's very easy to move around, very easy to use. We have the dash panel up here, has all of the nozzles for easy access to see whether you have all the nozzles or to grab them for use. Even has the gun and wand holder, so when you're ready to go, your equipment's right here, ready to use. Check out these flat-free tires that we have. One of the worst things on your equipment is if you have air tires. When the tires go flat, you have to hunt around for an air compressor to pump up your tire before you can work. These are flat-free solid tires, and the other good thing about this is even though you have the flat-free tires, you got rubber isolator feet, and look at this unique proprietary design of the equipment here. The vibration isolators, they take all the engine vibration, that way you don't have to worry about your machine moving while you're using it. Check out this new exclusive Viper pump. It has extra oil capacity for longer life and a better run. Nickel plated for corrosion resistance. Honda engine, commercial duty Honda engine, known, trusted in the industry. The unloader that we use is mounted remotely off the pump. So what that does, it's gonna last longer. You got the external bypass there, keeps it running cooler. And then on the outlet, it's all Quick Connect fittings. Quick Connect industrial fittings, gray non-marking hose, industrial duty with a wire braid, so very industrial duty accessories as well. So this is our direct drive unit. This is the most popular. Customers that really want to step it up for industrial use. We also have our belt drive version. A belt drive, the pump is going to run at half speed, so it's going to last longer for those that are using it. Same thing, we have the gun wand holder over here. All of the same features with the dash panel, aluminum frame, ergonomic design, but our tri-belt system is going to produce a longer life for you. One bolt takes off the belt cover, easy to do the maintenance on it, and easy to access all the main components. Finally, what we also have hot water. So for the guys that are doing graffiti removal, gum removal, that are doing grease, oil, and dirt, melting that grease and oil away, hot water's the way to go. We have that for you as well. Make sure you stop by the booth and enter for a chance to win. We're doing a $100 gift card. So stop by, enter your name. 6821 is our booth number today, and looking forward to seeing you. We also have show-only specials. Come on by, check them out. We'd like to see you. Thanks.
AJ Winstead coming at you live or semi-live from the Clark Nilfisk booth. Going to talk to you about a couple of our two biggest items that we have here for rental. Most popular. The first one is our 28-inch Focus disc machine. Been around a long time. 20-inch wide cleaning path. 23-gallon tanks, so it can collect and put down 23 gallons of water. 24-volt system, Line-X squeegee in the back to pick up. For your rental customers, very easy, one-touch button to operate. Then our other one that we bring over for the show is our 20-inch. And we have a couple versions of this. We are showing this in our Boost, which is an orbital platform, but we also have the traditional round disc, as we just showed you on the 28-inch machine. So this one actually holds 26 gallons, very similar, just a smaller footprint. Great all-around machine for rental. Again, the one-touch scrub button, so it makes it easy for your customers when they're renting. They don't have to really touch a lot of this stuff other than turning the key on. This one button will turn everything on and everything off. Both of these machines are power traverse. So you squeeze the handle and it rolls right on down the floor while it's doing the job. Putting down solutions, scrubbing it, and picking it up. The nice thing about the square boost head that we bring here is it uses less water, so it's very eco-friendly. It uses more of the action of the pad to do the scrubbing versus I'm gonna show you a little bit of the action here. So the head's going down. Now it doesn't work great on carpet because it's made for hard floors, but I just wanted to give you an idea of the orbital rotation of it. I hit my one-touch scrub again. It runs for about 30 seconds to clean the pad and then lifts up and you're done. If you're in the area, come by and see us.